Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased some Clear Jelly Stamper stamping products from the UK stockist of Clear Jelly Stamper, Nail.supplies. I'm going to break this down into 5 videos, all coming very soon. I made 2 orders. The first was 3 Christmas stamping plates and some stamping polishes. I then went back and I made another order and I brought another Christmas stamping plate and more stamping polishes. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-C-19. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So also in the first order, but it wasn't in the picture for some reason, I also picked up a new Clear Jelly Stamper stamper head. It was actually meant for my Clear Jelly Stamper Big Bling XL stamper, but it works just as well in this holder. I also have my scraper and 4 coloured nail tips, which I will be doing my swatches onto, and I'm going to be starting with the white nail tip. I'm going to go for the sprig of holly, but I'm going to use the guide trick, and for the underlayer of the top layer, so to speak, I'm going to use the light grey. It is so faint, but it gives an excellent guide on where to place the layers. I'm then going to go in and use green, red and black stamping polishes to create the holly. I have used this trick quite a bit and it does make a huge difference. Now this swatch didn't quite go to plan. It's hard to see where I'm stamping in the filming area, so I decided to redo it off camera because I didn't like how it looked, and I think it looks much better. It's still not completely lined up, but that doesn't matter. Moving on to the next swatch, and I'm going to use a beige nude nail tip along with 3 different stamping polishes, a soft gold and 2 different shades of brown. I'm going to go for the stand up reindeer. Now I am looking for a light brown from Clear Jelly Stamper, but I can't seem to find one, so that's why I'm using the soft gold. It sort of works. The photo swatch of this image looks so much better. I think the lighter base worked even better for it. But it is such a brilliant image, and I love that there is a sitting down one as well. As you could see, it could have been better, but he's so cool though. For the next swatch, I'm going to use a yellow nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a red and a black. With these opened images like this, I like to make sure that I have enough polish all over the image, and when I scrape it's low and very slow, and I got a fantastic pickup on that base layer. It doesn't always work with the much bigger images though. I'll then go in with the black for the outline, and this I want to say looks a bit like a rose, but it could also be a chrysanthemum as well, but it looks amazing. I'm not sure though if I would use this for a Christmas mani though. For the next swatch, I'm going to use a light blue nail tip along with a dark blue and a white stamping polish. The dark blue is number 13, it's lost its sticker. I'm going to go for one of the snowflakes, and I love that there is a smaller version of them as well. So I'll go in with the white first. Now I will say that some of the photo swatches of these aren't great. I was seriously struggling with the light that day. It was such a dark day, it was unreal. Once the white is down, I'll then go in with the dark blue to complete the design, which I really like. Definitely need to make a mani using these. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-C-19. Merry Christmas, my dear. Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-C-19 Merry Christmas, my dear is absolutely packed full of beautiful layered designs. In total, I've taken a massive 45 swatches. I will say some I like and some I don't like how they've turned out. CJS-C-19 has a lot covered for the festive season, from the beautiful words to the reindeers, holly, mistletoe, poinsettias and the snowflake. It really covers a lot. For the swatches, I've used 2 clear jelly stampers, my Big Bling XL stamper in pink and my crystal double-ended stamper with bling. I love that the words have turned out so well. It's quite a swirly font that they have used, and sometimes they can look a bit smushed together, but these don't, and I know that I'll be using them. And I also like that they're really small as well. They're going to fit really nicely on a nail. This is my first clear jelly stamper Christmas stamping plate. It's going to be my first year for layered Christmas manis, and I'm so excited I can't tell you. I'm looking forward to starting on the other 3 as well. With the floral designs on the white background, again I used the light grey base trick I did in the video. I haven't done any layering designs for a good month, maybe even 2 months or so, and you can tell with these swatches. I know that Clear Jelly Stamper have recently released quite a few new Christmas inspired plates. I actually had a really hard time choosing which ones I wanted, but in the end I went for 2 new ones and 2 older ones. I do think my next mani from CJS-C-19 is going to be the Snowflake mani. I've always wanted to make a layered one, and this is just going to make it so much easier. I'm absolutely loving the picture guides in the new Clear Jelly Stamper plates. It is so helpful, it really makes a difference. I'm actually going to get a separate booklet so I can keep them all safe and together. Now on the picture guide with the flowers, the holly leaves that are the single ones on their own have been used alongside the flowers. Now I didn't do this, and I'm not sure why, especially when I had the guide there right in front of me, but it's definitely one thing that I do want to have a try with. Next week at the beginning of December, I'm hoping to make some more festive manis. I was going to be doing a sort of challenge like I did in October for Halloween, but I'm just so busy, I don't have the time. Maybe next year though. I do want to take the opportunity to thank all the amazing ladies who have purchased from my GSN D-Stash page on Instagram. Because I have sold a lot, and I mean a lot, it has given me the opportunity to put the funds from the D-Stash page back into my YouTube channel with new stamping plates like these ones from Clear Jelly Stamper. There is a link in the description box below if you want to check out my D-Stash page, but a massive thank you to the ladies who have purchased from me. You are amazing. So on to the mani, and I just had a silver chromy nail polish arrive, and I wanted to use the poinsettia image, and I thought it was light enough to be able to do this. The stamping, I've used the same red and black from the flower on the yellow nail tip in the video section. I really like this. I've always wanted to do a poinsettia layered design, and it just had to be the first mani I created from CJS-C-19. I think it looks brilliant. Some of the layering's a little bit off, but other than that, it's fantastic. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-C-19. Merry Christmas, my dear. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.